my channel. It's your girl Ify Maey, and today I'll be giving you guys a few gift ideas for Mother's Day because Mother's Day is fast approaching. But before I get into the video, I just wanted to make sure everybody is doing good, everyone is staying safe, and it's Canada's Mother's Day and it's on May 10th. Yeah, anywho, let's get right into this video. So number one thing I would suggest you guys getting for your mother is getting them a gift basket. You guys, a basket right now would be, it's a great idea, especially for like a spa gift basket, because right now everybody's home and you just need something to relax. You need something your mother, and yeah, like that would be really, and I feel you can get that from, that gift basket from Lush. So yeah, Lush has they actually have a few good stuff there. You can also order a few stuff from Amazon. I mean, everybody's ordering from Amazon, why not? So number two, so sending them a box of roses. Moms love roses, so get your mom a box of roses, and so just order a box of flowers. You can also send her chocolates. She's gonna love it. Okay, yep. And the third one is personalized jewelries. So yeah, you might want to customize her jewelries for her, get her a piece of necklace and just either write her name or just like something like maybe like I love you, or you know, something like that. She's gonna appreciate it. Okay, yeah, so you can send that to her. For the next one is being creative. If you leave with them, and if maybe you've ordered something and it's taken forever for you to get it, or you are just running out of time, last minute shopping, and your shipping is taking forever, I would suggest you just get creative and like maybe you just get a jar and write down a few reasons why you love her. Write down a few, what am I saying? I got it right now. So just write down a couple reasons why you love them in a jar, and just put them in a jar, and just maybe like 50. You can come up with like 50. I mean, there's like 100 or more reasons why you love your mom. Come on, so why not do that? So yeah, and the next one is sending them a loungewear. Yeah, so you send them loungers, PJs with a pair of slippers or robes, and you can also personalize the robes as well. Oh my god, you guys, you can get this from Nordstrom. So Nordstrom has quite a lot designers as well if you got the money to spend. They actually have cheap stuff too, so yeah, you might want to check that out. They're not all expensive. Yeah, so the Bay as well. ASOS has a new set of PJs. Who does not want a new set of robes, towels? Next one is perfume. Oh my god, guys, yo, consider, because every mom loves perfumes. They love getting perfumes as a gift. I mean, my mom loves it, so I believe perfume as a gift. So I feel like she's gonna really love getting a perfume. And also, I would say, don't get her a perfume if you don't know her scent. Don't get your friend a perfume if you don't know their scent. You should be knowing the scent before you're getting them a perfume, because that's why I don't like buying perfumes for people, because, or like, if you don't know their scent, you shouldn't be getting them, because so you get them something you know they love. Okay, just don't be getting them random stuff, because you're not even at the store. I mean, you can also go to Shoppers as well, because Shoppers have quite a lot of perfumes and they're actually not that expensive too. And they usually go on sale as well, so you might want to check out Shoppers as well, because that's pretty much the only store that should be selling, or that would be selling that right now you like. Okay, make sure you're getting your friends or you're getting your mom things they love. Okay, so like Chanel, yo, Chanel is so good. Okay, like it smells so good, so you might want to get your mom a Chanel perfume if you have no idea on what to get. Okay, yep, that's it for that. The next one is kitchen utensils. Oh my goodness, if your mom loves cooking, why not do it for her? If your mom loves cooking, get her a pot. And also if she loves baking, stand mixer. Everyone's pretty much baking right now, so like if she doesn't have it, but because maybe some people don't like using it, or some people just can't afford it, or some people don't have it, so you might want to get it for your friend or for your mom. Best Buy, I checked online, and I noticed Best Buy where they had a huge discount on on a stand mixer. So yep, you might want to check that out. And pressure pot is another one. If she loves pressure pot, if she's always wanted to get that, you might want to get that for her. Who wouldn't want that as a Mother's Day gift? So yeah, you might want to get. Another one is a handbag. I do not get tired of getting handbags as a gift because Lord, women love bags. So especially if you're getting your mom a handbag right now, to get her a designer bag, don't get her a regular bag. That's if you have the money too. Don't be spending money if you don't have money, because we don't even know when this is gonna end. Like I said at the beginning, you can get her you can get creative and just do something sweet for her at home. You don't necessarily have to spend your money on getting her a gift, because I believe your mom is really gonna appreciate the effort. The Bay has some. They have some good ones. Of course they have designers as well. Nordstrom actually has a bunch. Nordstrom Rack as well. Do they have an online store for Nordstrom Rack? Maybe, I can't remember. Yeah, I think they do. Yeah, actually, what other store? But those are the stores that I know have like varieties. Okay, yeah, so if you just want variety. Next one related to bag as well, it's also in the category of bags. So a suitcase. Mama needs a suitcase for after quarantine. She has to be taking her trips. If you know she needs this, okay, don't just be getting her anything. But yeah, if she needs this, get her that. She's that. So yeah, another thing you can do is creating a collage for your mom. My mom loves pictures so much, so that's why I thought about this idea, like getting her pictures together and creating a collage, a slideshow, whatever you call it, and just sending it to her. She's gonna love it. Just memories. And that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and also you can feel free to comment down below, and yep, just share your ideas with everybody. They're gonna love it. Yep, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.